We have a lot to learn from this world nature, animals and birds. What to learn from lions. Lions may seem fierce and solitary, but they rely deeply on their pride, teaching us strength in family bonds. Learn, live, and make your life better and happier. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. Your small gesture of subscribing will help our small channel grow a lot. Your support means everything to us.